In this video, I'm going to share exactly how to make $300 a day with Google News in just 5 easy steps. Now, with this amazing copy-paste method, you're going to be able to do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need any previous experience, no tech skills required, and no social media following is necessary. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to stick with me through this entire step-by-step video. And let's go ahead and dive in right now. But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. Okay, so I have on the screen the exact simple steps for this easy method. I'm going to go one by one, very simple, so you can follow me as you're watching this video. So the very first step, okay, if we undo this, is basically we want to search for Google News and open up the website. Okay, so you want to go to google.com, you want to put in Google News here, and then you just want to do a Google search. Okay, now the very first link that should appear is the main news.google.com website. Okay, so you can just click this link here. Okay, and now what this is going to take us to is Google News. Now, if you don't know what this is, basically it's a website on Google that shares the latest news articles in many different categories. Now, this is going to be crucial for this incredibly easy newbie-friendly method, as you'll see a little bit later in this video. Okay, now if we look to the top left, they have top stories, which are just random categories. They have For You, okay, they have US, world, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Okay, so many different categories. And again, you want to keep this in mind for this exact method. Now, if I go back to our steps, okay, and I undo this one, the next step is once you're in Google News, you want to click on one of the categories starting from business or below. Okay, so let me share with you what I mean. So if we go to this page right here, you can see these different categories on the left, right? Basically, we want to choose or click on one of these categories starting from business and below. Okay, the method doesn't work that well for US, world, and these categories, but for any of these, it's going to work. Okay, so for example, you could click technology. Now, what that's going to do is that's going to open up, again, different articles that have to do with that category. And these are the latest articles, 7 hours ago, 2 hours ago. So these are really relevant articles that we're going to be able to use in a second, totally without writing them ourselves, to make great income, as much as $300 or more per day. Now, the next step, step number 3, is we want to open up one of those articles and copy the text. Okay, so let me share with you what I mean. So if I go to this page, okay, again, we're on Google News, any one of these categories from business or below. And again, you could do entertainment. It really does not matter. Let's do sports, for example. Okay, so if I open up the category sports, I can even drill down into subcategories, but this is fine. Now, let's say, this one right here, I can open up this article. Now, what you want to do is come down here and we want to copy this text. Okay, and again, it does not matter what article you actually open. We want to copy that text, okay? Now, if we go to step 4 in this incredibly easy 5-step method, all we're going to do, okay, is we want to go to a website called spinbot.com, okay? And what we want to do once we're on that page is we want to paste in our copied text and spin the text, okay? So if I go here, Spinbot, it's going to have a box on the website, okay? Now, what this website is, it's a free tool that allows us to basically make these articles unique, okay, which is very important for this method. We can't just use this article directly copy paste. We need to change it slightly. So what we want to do is paste in that article that we just copied, okay? We want to select that I'm not I'm a human, okay, I'm not a robot, right? It may have a CAPTCHA, okay, so the train, boom, boom, and then we hit go. Now, once we do that, it's going to share the spin text here. Now, again, you can see with the start of the NFL season, with the beginning of the NFL season, okay? So it's changing words, but it's not changing the context of the article. So the article still makes sense, but it's making it unique, okay? And now what we want to do is we want to copy the spin text And now we want to go to the last step in this incredibly simple method, okay? We want to undo this. Now what we want to do is submit these articles that we just copied to the 3 recommended places to cash in big. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Well, there's 3 recommended sites that we can actually submit these articles that will pay us. So the first site is listverse.com. Okay, so basically the way this works is if you submit articles, you could get paid as much as $100 per article. Okay. Now, again, you're not having to write these articles yourself. You're just spinning them and you can paste them to the site and they will pay you $100. Now, they have a little bit of rules. Okay. So you can, see the rules here, but this is a really, really great site. Okay. So it says, you don't need to include images or videos. All you have to do is send them the text that we just spun. Listverse is an incredible place. Now, the second place you can actually make money with, spinning these articles is Fiverr.com. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr.com is, basically it's a place where you can either purchase gigs or you can sell services and gigs yourself. We're going to want to actually sell our services, okay? So you can go to the top, and if you don't have an account, you would just create an account. And once you do, you can actually list your gig under writing and translation. Okay, so if I go to articles and blog posts, you'll see other people that are doing that. You can see right here. Okay, I will write a high quality 500 word SEO article or blog in 2 days. Okay, and you can see that he's charging starting at $5. Okay, this person $10, $30. Okay, and this person got over 1,000 people to pay them at least $500. That's 5,000 or more dollars just from doing a simple article. And again, you can just spin these articles to make tons and tons of money. Very, very cool and very easy. And the last place is Upwork.com. Okay, with Upwork, again, it's similar to Fiverr. You can either purchase gigs or you can list gigs as your own. What you want to do is sign up here very simply for free. You want to actually, go to the online writing jobs. Okay, so writing and translation. You can find work. And here's samples of recent jobs that people are offering that you could do just by submitting articles. Okay, so this one right here, for example, publish a series of blog posts for health and wellness. Okay, this is less than 30 hours per week. And you can see how much they're actually going to pay you. It says right here, right here, okay, up to $10 per hour. Okay, so this is in the health. You just go here, health, open up one of these, copy paste the text, okay, spin, boom, go, and there you go. You have this article that you could literally submit to this person, okay, in a matter of minutes. So I really hope you enjoyed learning this incredibly easy 300 per day method with Google News. If you got value, you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button below to let me know. Also, be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest step-by-step training. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 method to earn as much as $1,000 a day, even while you're sleeping, click the first link below and watch that free overview video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.